A very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to 8th standard science video class. In previous video class, I conducted the lesson Air Unit 11. In this lesson, we already discussed about oxygen gas, an occurrence of oxygen, physical properties of oxygen and chemical properties of oxygen, and finally the uses of oxygen gas. Today let us start with the continuation of this lesson. One of the most important element is nitrogen. Animals and plants need nitrogen for their growth, and nitrogen, which is essential element in protein and nucleic acids. This protein and nucleic acid are called as building blocks of living organism. About 78% of nitrogen gas which is present in atmosphere air. Daniel Rutherford in 1772 first isolated the nitrogen gas from air. In Greek word nitron and gene, which means I produce nitre. Nitre means potassium nitrate. It is one of the compound of nitrogen. And next one is occurrence of nitrogen. Nitrogen is the fourth abundant element in human body, and it is the seventh most abundant element in universe. For example, Titan, it is the largest natural moon of Saturn planet, and it has an atmosphere made up of 98% only nitrogen. That is, Titan is the natural moon of Saturn planet, and this planet is fully contain 98% of nitrogen gas. The structure of nitrogen, it is a diatomic molecule because it has two nitrogen atoms which are attached with a triple bond. And nitrogen is also present in volcanic gases, and nitrogen is present in combined state. For example, potassium nitrate, which is known as nitrate, and sodium nitrate, etc. Nitrate, its chemical structure is NO3. It has one nitrogen atom and three oxygen atom. That is, the three oxygen is combined with the one nitrogen to form a nitrate NO3. And nitrogen also present in organic matters such as proteins, enzymes and nucleic acids, etc. Next we will discuss about physical properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen is a colorless, tasteless and odorless gas. Nitrogen is slightly lighter than air. That is, it has less weight, and nitrogen is slightly soluble in water. At low temperature, the nitrogen gas is become liquid. That is, in physical state of nitrogen, which can be converted into liquid state at low temperature. When in freezing state, the nitrogen gas is converted into solid form. At low temperature, the nitrogen gas is converted into liquid state, and during freezing state, the nitrogen gas is converted into solid state. When nitrogen, which is react with the litmus paper, it is neutralize the substance because its pH is 7. Next we will discuss about chemical properties of nitrogen. The first one is chemical reactivity. Nitrogen, when high temperature and pressure, or in the presence of catalyst, nitrogen gas is involved in most of the chemical reaction. Catalyst means they are a chemical substance which are used to enhance the chemical reaction. So due to the presence of high temperature and pressure and catalyst, the nitrogen is involved in the chemical reaction. And second one is combustion. Nitrogen moderate the rate of combustion. Whether if it is neither combustible and nor a supporter of combustion, just it moderate the rate of combustion. And third one is reaction with metals. While nitrogen is react with metals like lithium, calcium and magnesium, etc., at high temperature it forms its corresponding metal nitrates. For example, nitrogen which is react with calcium metal to form calcium nitride. The chemical formula for calcium is Ca. It's combined with nitrogen N2 to produce Ca3N2, that is calcium nitride. And fourth one is reaction with non-metal. While nitrogen is react with the non-metals like hydrogen and oxygen etc., at high temperature they form its corresponding nitrogen compounds. For example, nitrogen which is react with the non-metal like hydrogen to produce nitrogen compounds such as ammonia. The chemical structure for this equation is hydrogen H2 which is combined with the nitrogen N2 to produce the nitrogen compound ammonia NH3. Next we will discuss about uses of nitrogen. Liquid, the first one is liquid nitrogen which is used as refrigerant. That is, while low temperature the gaseous form of nitrogen is converted into liquid state, that liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant, that is in coolant. And nitrogen which is used to prepare ammonia by Haber process. This is the liquid nitrogen. At low temperature, the gaseous nitrogen is converted into liquid nitrogen. And nitrogen is used in the preparation of ammonia by Haber process. Then ammonia is again converted into fertilizer and uric acid. Nitrogen is used as a substitute for compressed air in tire. That is the nitrogen gas which is used to fill the air in tire. Nitrogen which is used to fill the space above the mercury in thermometer. So in thermometer, high temperature thermometer, the space above the mercury is filled with nitrogen because it is used to reduce the evaporation of mercury. And nitrogen is nitrogen is also present in explosives such as TNT, nitroglycerin and gunpowder. So these explosives are made up of, with the help of element is nitrogen. And nitrogen is one of the constituents of explosive. Nitrogen also used for preservation of foods. So these are the uses of nitrogen. That is, it is used as a preservation of foods, and nitrogen is used in the explosives, preparation of explosives, and it is used to fill the space above the mercury, and it is used for compressed air in tire, that is to fill the air in tire, and by Haber process nitrogen is used to prepare ammonia, and liquid nitrogen is used as refrigerant. So these are the uses of nitrogen. Next we will discuss about nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is essential for proper growth of plants. The plant requires soluble nitrogen in the form of nitrogen compounds. The plants need to supply nitrogen as nitrates by the process of nitrogen fixation. That is, the plants use nitrogen for its growth in the form of nitrate. It's a compounds of nitrogen. The structure of nitrate is NO3. And plants need the nitrogen in the form of nitrates by the process of nitrogen fixation. The conversion of atmosphere nitrogen into useful nitrogen compounds such as nitrate. This process is known as nitrogen fixation. That means the atmosphere nitrogen is converted into nitrate. This process is known as nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is carried out by two methods. The first one is natural fixation method and the second one is artificial fixation method. In natural fixation, it is carried out by leguminous plants, which is converted the atmosphere nitrogen into nitrate. So this is the leguminous plants. In this plants, it has that is the legumes which is present in the root of this plants, which is helped to convert the atmosphere nitrogen into nitrates. And second one natural fixation method is lightning. During lightning, that is the thunderstroke, does add nitrogen to soil. That is lightning which is add the atmosphere nitrogen into soil, and plants get the nitrogen from soil and convert into nitrate. The second one is artificial fixation method. By artificial fixation, we apply the fertilizers like ammonia and ammonia salt, which is used to convert the nitrogen which is present in it, ammonia, to nitrate. And also from nitric acid, the plants get nitrate. So these are the nitrogen fixation method. Simply, the nitrogen fixation means the nitrogen, atmosphere nitrogen is converted into nitrates, which is supply, which is used for the growth of the plants. Students, I hope you get the clear knowledge about nitrogen, that is occurrence of nitrogen, physical and chemical properties of nitrogen, and the uses of nitrogen gas, and the main one is nitrogen fixation. In next class, I will explain about carbon dioxide gases and greenhouse effect, global warming and acid rain. Thank you students. Thanks to all.